Hello friends, Dylan here with an instructional video on how to get rid of Kirby vacuum cleaner Salesman. First of all, be nice. Second of all, be frontful. Not interested, motherfucker. I understand. You want to come into my house? I understand completely. Okay. Well, look. We're going to go this route, okay? Well, let's think about this. You want to come into my house, and I don't want you to come into my house. Let's think about this for a minute. What? I got an idea, buddy. Look here. Take a look at this. Smell that? That's gunpowder, motherfucker. You want that in your ass? Y'all have a nice day. Thank you for stopping by.